Hi everyone, it's Heidi from flutterbyheidi.co.uk. I'm back again with another one of my celebration items, and this is where I'm just showcasing some of the lovely items that you can get for free during January and February of this year. And this one is about DSP. So a celebration is where when you purchase Stampin' Up products, for each £45 or multiple, you can choose one or more items from a special catalogue that you get for free. And one of these for a £45 spend is this lovely paper here. Beautiful vibrant colours, black background. On the front you've got lovely floral images, and on the back you've got some more generic images with super colours like Flirty Flamingo, Cherry Cobbler, but a bumblebee, just jade, misty moonlight, all sorts of colours in there. And these are 12 by 12 sheets, same quality as Stampin' Up paper always is. So 12 by 12 sheets, 6 designs, 2 sheets of each, double-sided. What's not to love? So what I wanted to do was actually create just a little storage pod for my my desk. So what I'm doing today is just this little sort of cute little box, because I love these Crystal Light. I know you can get them in the States. We can't get them here in the UK without paying loads of money for them. So I happened to get someone to get me some of these who was going over to the States. But I like to have them on my desk. It just encourages me to have my water. They come in a box normally, and I can just stuff with these, just see what they are. That's the reason I made this project, but it's a great way of using up a bit of our DSP. So really easy to make. They're based on kind of I think they were called the Hallet bag. It's that kind of idea. So what you've actually got is DSP, no scoring on the DSP, just a little bit of scoring on the base, and then just adding a bit of card to the top to reinforce it. So you just need a 8 by 8 inch piece of card, 3 3/8 by 3 3/8, and score at 1 centimetre or half an inch on all 4 sides. And that is all the scoring you're actually going to do. I've obviously pre-cut some of my other bits and pieces, but I'll go through those. So score 1 inch or half inch or 1 centimetre, all 4 sides. You're then going to need a piece of card that's 25 centimetres in length, so 10 inches by a centimetre or half an inch, and a piece of DSP that again is 25 centimetres, 10 inches by 3 inches, 7.5 centimetres that I've got there. So once you've once you've scored, you're then going to come in and just notch all 4 of those. And this is one of those occasions where I would recommend the use of super sticky tape. That's for a couple of reasons. Once you've made the box up, I just find it by putting the tape all the way around, it really makes it nice and firm, and it gives a really strong place for this to stick as well. So I'm just going to use my Seal Plus on the corners there, because those are obviously going to create our box. I'm not going to use it. Okay, so sticky it's pulling the card off. Okay, let's right, 3rd time's the charm. Yay! Okay, so once you've done that, all you do is you're just going to create a little tray for the bottom, like so. And I say mine doesn't have to be really strong, but if you wanted to put sort of, these are great for little sort of sweet, almost like sweetie bowls. You can make them a bit shallower if you wanted to. Now, I'm using my sort of super sticky tape. I'm starting in the middle of one side, and I'm just coming round. And basically, obviously, because I'm coming round, that's then holding those corners in place as well. So it gives that bit of extra strength. And then when I get to the end, I'm just going to cut that away. And then all you need to do is just find the underneath piece I'll just start that off. So that's the first bit. The next bit is to add our card to the top. So I'm actually just going to gently lay, again, a piece of tape. You could use tear and tape for this bit, and actually you could use tear and tape for the bottom bit, thinking about it, because it hasn't got a lot of, I'm not going to say not a lot of strength, but it hasn't, you know, you don't need it to be super strong. But it's just happened to be handy. And then I'm just putting that right at the very top as I go along, like so. So you see that just goes on the top, and then I'm going to put a short piece, and this is the bit where you need a good adhesion. So again, tear and tape on the end here, and I'm just covering all the way down because that's going to overlap. So what I tend to do is put my paper on first. So I take the tape all the way off and I put the paper on first, and I start in the middle of a side as well, because don't stick it to your grid paper, because I just want that to really sort of just not have the extra kind of harshness on the corner, because I want a nice rounded finish. As I say, I'm not actually scoring this at all, just pressing it against the side as I go around, just making sure I'm lining up each time on the edge. And before I finish, I'm just going to burnish on those insides to make sure that's really stuck well, and then I'm going to take off my piece of tear and tape for the final edge. So just unwrap that, and then I line it up on the bottom and then line it up on the top, and again just come in and burnish well with your bone folder. And it is as simple as that. There we have a really useful little pot. Obviously it would work for your Tombow glues, it would work for your tape runners as well. So, you know, actually you could probably fit, or not, you could just about fit those in, but actually perfect for our new stamp and seal. I used just a little one for my Tombow, but you could get a Tombow and a seal in there quite easily, along with a fine tip glue. So I can see me actually using that instead of my nasty plastic container that I've got. So hey, lovely new storage for my desk. What fun. Thanks for watching. You make one, let me know how you get on. You could make it shorter, taller, depends what you want to pop in it. But anyway, they're fun, and even better, the paper's free. What's not to love? So thanks for watching. Come back and see me again soon, and please do subscribe to my blog, and if you follow the links below you'll find the links to the product that I've used. You just need to make your purchase and you can choose it for free. So thanks again. Bye bye.